The Energy Department is turning up the heat on airing oil firms even without police powers to go after them directly. Acting Energy Chief Sharon Garin says they're still tracking violations and warning that some companies may be engaging in anti-competitive behavior.
I do believe that there are still players na hindi pa playing according to the rules, if you ask me. There are still distortions in the reporting, in our observations, na meron pang may mali pa eh.
Meanwhile, power prices in the wholesale spot market are starting to cool along with the weather.
Sa ngayon, lumaki yung ating, tapos na rin kasi yung ibang mga PMS na mga power plants. So sa monitoring natin daily, umaabot ng 16,000 megawatts dito sa Luzon na capacity natin, while the demand has slowed down, nasa 10,000, 11,000 megawatts na tayo.